Imagine waking up one day to find your computer locked, demanding a ransom, or your bank details mysteriously stolen. Scary, right? That's the power of malware. And the worst part? It could be lurking on your device right now without you even knowing it. In today's video, we'll break down what malware is, the different types of malware, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from these digital threats. So, if you use a computer, smartphone, or any connected device, this video is a must watch. So what exactly is malware? Malware stands for malicious software, and as the name suggests, it is designed to damage, disrupt, or steal data from your device. Think of malware as a digital parasite. It sneaks in, takes over, and can cause serious harm to your files, privacy, and even your finances. Did you know? Some malware can stay hidden for months, silently stealing your data without triggering any alarms. Now, let's talk about the different types of malware you need to watch out for. Viruses. Just like biological viruses, these attach themselves to files and spread when you open them. They can corrupt files, slow down your system, and even destroy data. 2. Worms. Unlike viruses, worms don't need human interaction to spread. They replicate on their own and can infect entire networks, making them extremely dangerous. 3rd, ransomware. This is one of the scariest forms of malware. It locks your files and demands a ransom to unlock them. Major companies and hospitals have been attacked by ransomware, losing millions. 4th, Trojans. Named after the Trojan horse, this malware disguises itself as a legitimate file or program, tricking you into installing it. Once inside, hackers can steal your data or control your system. Spyware. As the name suggests, spyware secretly monitors your activity, logging your keystrokes and stealing sensitive information like passwords and banking details. 6th, Adware. Ever been bombarded with annoying pop-up ads? That's Adware. While some adware is just irritating, others can track your activity and even install more malware. 7th, rootkits and backdoors. These allow hackers to gain deep access to your system, hiding their presence and enabling full remote control. Scary, right? Now that you know the different types of malware, let's talk about how to protect yourself. Here's how. 1. Keep your software updated. Software updates patch security holes that hackers exploit. Never ignore updates. 2. Use a strong antivirus and anti-malware tool. Tools like Malwarebytes, Windows Defender, or Bitdefender can detect and remove malware before it causes damage. 3. Be wary of email attachments and links. Phishing emails often contain malware-infected links. Always verify before clicking. 4. Avoid downloading cracked software and unknown files. Free software from shady websites often comes with hidden malware. 5. Use a firewall. A firewall acts as a barrier, blocking suspicious connections and preventing unauthorized access. 6. Back up your data regularly. If ransomware strikes, having a backup ensures you don't lose everything. Use external hard drives or cloud storage. 7. Enable multi-factor authentication (MFA). Even if hackers steal your password, MFA ensures they can't access your accounts easily. Malware isn't just a small-time cyber nuisance, it has crippled governments, banks, and major corporations. For example, the WannaCry ransomware attack 2017. This ransomware infected over 200,000 computers in 150 countries, including hospitals and businesses, demanding payments in Bitcoin. Another example, Stuxnet 2010. This sophisticated malware was used to sabotage Iran's nuclear program. It was so powerful that it physically destroyed industrial machinery. Lesson: malware isn't just about losing files, it can disrupt entire industries and even national security. So now you know what malware is, the different types, and how to protect yourself. The digital world is full of threats, but with the right knowledge and precautions, you can stay safe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.